27:22, and here it is, live action right before you right now. This is the futures market on a 15-30-minute chart. Here it is. We were down 400 points last night. Volatility is going to continue to rock this market. Now, on the S&P 500, we were down. We came off of the bottom. We rallied up. This is a 15-minute chart on the E-mini 500 futures. Now, on the big tech heavy weighted NASDAQ 100 was down 270 points. You can see that big drop last night. You can see it recovered right back up to the top of the channel. I will tell you that this volatility will continue. Earnings season is in full bloom. We've had a lot of reports come out this morning. McDonald's came out and many, many more. McDonald's missed. And then Boeing the other day had an issue with their earnings. Now, this NASDAQ 100 heavy weighted tech sector has gaps up this morning. Some of the gaps that we have an Amazon gap, we have a shop gap. We will be trading shop today. The Googles, they're gapping up. Now, let me caution everybody with one thing. You've seen the volatility. Okay, Tesla reported earnings. They beat, but the stock went negative from the gap. Gaps will be sold. They're going to try to buy the end of the month. And I am telling you right now, from the oversold market conditions, as the volatility plays out, they're going to have to deal with the FOMC meeting. That came out with Jerome Powell yesterday. Once again, he doesn't know what he's doing, and people understand that. So, with these heavy-weighted techs, Netflix has a nice gap of $16. Bill Ackman wants to buy the stock. ServiceNow beat NOW up $53. So there are some good bright spots. MasterCard reported down 241. Okay, some of the other gaps that we have, Twilio, we have DraftKings, beaten down stock. You have to find the right value. You have to find the right trades. The setup is going to be here. Okay, the earnings will not save the market. No. Earnings gaps. Sell the gaps. We're doing a special seminar on how to trade volatility gaps. For those who want to sign up, just contact us. You want to learn how to trade volatility when the gap, learn how to sell short. I'm telling you that the Dow futures were down 400. They're positive 66. Okay, this NASDAQ 100, which will be controlling the heavy tech sector today, in that trade, I will tell you that stocks will pull back to support. They have good trading ranges. Shop had an upgrade today. A couple of days in a row, there was beaten down stocks on Upstart. That is up $1.92. But just let me tell you one thing about volatility. 2022 is going to have the biggest record volatility that the U.S. exchanges have seen in years. I called it before it happened, not after the fact. Trading ranges, we will knock these profits down. Support, resistance, price action, volume, buy signals, sell signals, daily moving averages. The list goes on with this market, I can tell you. And this market has been whipping people up like a tossed salad, just like I said. And I will tell you one thing. If you buy at the highs, you're going to get killed. If you don't know how to get wholesale entries, your profits will be very diminished. 99% of traders never know when to sell, when to buy it. They can buy it, and they always buy it at the wrong price. And then when it comes time to sell it, they can't sell it. The laundry list goes on. And this volatility will be sold. When they gap, all gaps are sold for a profit. That's how today will be. That's how tomorrow's going to be. That's how 2020 will be. You were told that before the year started. No one has called this market better than me. None of them. So, you want to get ready, you want to get rolling, either you blow your account up, and you will. You'll be as smart as you can be. I understand that. You're doing your best. All of you are. But this volatility is going to whip you. And when I say whip you, this volatility will whip you like a horse whipping, which I seen in a movie last night. But let me just tell you something. When you ride the horse, you hit the back of his butt with the whip, and then the horse goes faster. Well, the horse goes faster, but then guess what happens? He stops running because he gets tired. This market, the volatility gaps, they suck you in. Yesterday, you were up 400 points in the futures, and they went negative, and they did. And today, they try to rebound from that. Last night, these futures were getting killed. I will tell you right now, on the earnings season, and we have a lot of them that came in today in the S&P 500 and whatnot, and as this volatility plays, we are sellers on gaps, on the opening bell, and we will kill this market, and we will walk away today with $30,000, $40,000 in profits. Once again, stay tuned. Get ready to trade. Pre-market update to all our traders, okay, around the world and the U.S. traders that we have. Now, one thing, remember, take profits, keep stops, do everything that you were told to do. You will have an opening bell gap, and then the gaps are the big money needs to sell. Stocks remain overvalued. I don't care what anyone says. They're trading in trading ranges, but this U.S. market remains overvalued. Tech stocks are overvalued. Rates are going to be going higher this year. The laundry list goes on for the bulls. Okay? There are traders who know how to trade that can make a fortune because volatility gives you that. And volatility is not easy. No, it's one of the hardest things to do in the market. They will zip these prices up and down faster. You sit there in front of your computer. You don't know what you're doing because the prices are moving so fast. It confuses you. I understand. But I will tell you, this volatility is going to rip you, and it's going to rip you good. And when you see green, you go in and buy the highs, and then they sell them down on you because of professional short sellers like me. When they hit resistance, people sell. This is not year 2020 or 2021. Those days are gone, and there are bigger volatility coming. And you have a chance to sign up for the free 5-day trial. Take advantage of everything that's there. This market's going to be ripping up and down. Your eyes won't even be able to keep up with the price prints. And that volatility is going to rip you.